The big round dimple on the side of every milk jug in America isn't a manufacturing flaw, it isn't a grip, and the reason it's there is a little creepier than you'd think. Grab any gallon of milk in your fridge, look at the side. There's a circular dimple pushed into the plastic, deep enough to fit your thumb. Every gallon in the country has one, same shape, same spot. Most people figure it's there so the jug is easier to hold. It's not. It's there because milk is one of the only things in your fridge that can actually go to war with the container holding it. Here's where it starts. Almost every gallon jug in the US is made from the same plastic, high-density polyethylene, HDPE. The little number 2 stamped on the bottom, it gets blow molded in one quick shot. A tube of hot plastic drops into a mold, air punches into it, and in about a second and a half, you've got a jug. Cheap, fast, light, and just a little bit fragile. That's where the dimple comes in. But here's where it gets interesting. Milk is alive. Not in some metaphorical way, actually alive. Even chilled in the fridge, there are bacteria in there slowly chewing through the lactose. Most of the time, the rate is so low you don't notice, but once milk turns, those bacteria go to work fast, and they produce gas, carbon dioxide mostly. That gas has to go somewhere. Inside a sealed jug with no give in the plastic, pressure builds, and HDPE has a real failure point. Push it too hard, and the jug doesn't slowly deform, it splits right at the seams. And then your fridge looks like a crime scene. The dimple is the pressure release. When the milk starts off-gassing, the weakest point on the jug isn't the cap, it isn't the bottom, it's that pre-formed pocket on the side. The dimple pops outward before anything else does, like a bulging vein on the side of the bottle. And here's the part most people miss. If you grab a gallon from the back of your fridge and the dimple is already pushed out, flat, taut, no give when you press it, that milk is already gone. The jug is telling you, before you crack the seal, that the bacteria in there have been busy. Press the side, like you're checking a pumpkin. Gives a little, you're fine. Hard, swollen, won't budge, pour it out. Now here's the catch. Pressure release isn't the only job that dimple is doing. Milk likes to expand. If a gallon partly freezes, which happens at the back of cold fridges all the time, the liquid swells about 9%. A rigid jug would crack. The dimple flexes inward to absorb the expansion, then flexes back when it thaws. It's also doing manufacturing work. That dimple shape uses measurably less plastic per jug. Multiplied by billions of gallons a year, that's a serious cost and weight savings. Lighter jugs ship cheaper. Less plastic means less cost. The dairy industry didn't add that dimple for one reason. They added it because it solves 3 problems at once: pressure, expansion, cost. But here's the part that's almost poetic. That cheap, ugly, factory-stamped dent is a built-in early warning system for the food inside it. No expiration date needed, no nose test, no pour and sniff. Just a thumb on the side of the jug. So next time you reach for a gallon, give the dimple a quick press before you pour, because it isn't a flaw, and it isn't a grip. It's the milk telling on itself.